Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, yes, we are joining the Mini Scenes GB open collaboration for Christmas. You're going to find all the links in my description below to these wonderful artists from around the world. That's right, folks, this is a global collaboration. Joining me today is iShoe's Crafty Kids Club. You will be redirected after this video and find her link in my chat above. You are not going to want to miss what she has for you today. Today I am using the Iron Orchid design mold, and these are Angelic tapers. These were inspired by wintry icicles, and this mold catches the timeless beauty of architectural pieces you'll find in historic buildings. These molds were designed with versatility in mind, and you will see how much creative freedom as we go along. Right now, I am using the black epoxy resin from Let's Resin. I do love to use this resin because it is a deep black and it comes out beautiful. There are absolutely no bubbles when you use this resin. Any discount codes that are offered in my videos, you will find down in my description below. Iron Orchid Design is a wholesale company, and if you go to their website, you will find a place where it is stocked near you. These angels can be used back to back and create a dimensional ornament. You can cut these in pieces and use little sections. You can use them as icicles. You can use them as planter picks for your Christmas greenery. After filling with the resin, I did go through this with my micro brush and with my heating tool to check for bubbles. I let that sit overnight. I will apologize early. I did lose a lot of footage during this video and did demold while it was still quite soft. Today I am using them as decorative ornaments for my Christmas tree. You will only be seeing the angels today in this video. The other molds will be in future videos to come. I am still slightly out of frame, and I do apologize here. But you can see that this is nice and soft, perfect to mold it around this ball. And I will be using some UV resin to hold that down. And then I will leave it for a few days to fully cure around this ball. One suggestion I will give you is be sure to use a glass bowl. When I was using my heating tool later on in the video, I did melt the ball a little bit and it caves it in. So think about that when you're using a heating tool and a plastic ball. This ball was for my use, so it will hang on my tree for years to come. I am really excited to share these resin angels with you. If you know anything about me, you know that I do love angels, and I think bringing a celestial touch to your holiday decor will brighten your home not only for Christmas, but for all year long. Angels have a deep universal meaning. They symbolize hope, guidance, and protection, and they remind us of peace, love, and joy, especially during the Christmas season. When you put an angel on your Christmas tree, especially these angels, they are going to look absolutely stunning. Their shimmering details are going to catch the light and make them feel almost alive, glowing among your branches. Whether you have an angel perched on top of your tree or nestled within the greenery, or even hung as a standalone ornament, angels add a magical heavenly charm to our Christmas season. What I love most about these angels, it's their versatility. While they're perfect for Christmas, they aren't limited to just one season. Angels are timeless. The tapers, for instance, make exquisite decorative pieces for your home all year long. Picture them on a fireplace mantle, a bedside table, or as part of a centerpiece at a special event, such as a wedding or a spiritual celebration. They will bring an air of grace and elegance wherever they're displayed. I use 2 different kinds of resin in these molds. I use the black epoxy resin, and I also use the mix to mold, which makes it ceramic looking. I hung them with chains of gold and of silver to make it extra special. These angels give off a rich, luminous finish. And adding that extra touch of bling, each piece is carefully detailed. Look closely. You will see the intricate textures on the wings. The highlight on these textures, the metallic paints, and the fine details give these angels a sense of dimension. Each piece is a separate work of art. Each angel carries its own personality, and together they create an atmosphere of peace and inspiration. Now that I've shared my love of the angels with you, as I continue to make these beautiful pieces before your eyes, let me share a special song with you also.
He took her to a corner with an old kinetoscope that long ago spilled out dreams and would again, he hoped. And placing a coin in its slot, he bid her look inside, where shadows from the distant past could once more come alive. And when the film was over, the child she had just seen now appeared and took her hand and led her to another dream.
Take me out to California.
I do love how these pieces turns out. I would love for you to let me know in the comments below what you think. Each little angel does carry their own personality. They create an atmosphere of peace and inspiration. Before I go, I'd like to take a moment to thank all of you who left such beautiful blessings on my last video. Your kindness means so much to me, and I am so incredibly grateful.
Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California.
I also want to let you know that I will be opening those thoughtful gifts that I did receive for my birthday. I will have a premiere day this week, and I promise, so please stay tuned for that. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your continued love and support. I invite you all to join all the others in this open global Christmas collaboration hosted by Many Scenes GB. Be sure to check out that playlist I leave in my description down below. You will be able to see such incredible creations by other talented artists from all around the world.
Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home, California, California.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment of your time and subscribe today. And please let me know in the comments below, how would you use these angels in your home decor? I know you would put them on your Christmas tree, but where else would you use these beautiful angels? I would love to know. I also would like to wish you all a joyful and creative holiday season. And if you have not made a friend today, please look in that chat and look for someone new and make a friend today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time, thank you for coming.